YouTube, what's up guys? I sold another car. So currently down to one running car. And the running car behind me is my Toyota MR2 SPYDER with a 2ZZ swap, 6-speed and turbo. This is my daily driver right now. That is what I'm daily driving. Crazy. I don't have a back seat anymore. So I sold my Evo. I had a wonderful Evo 10 that I had loved for about 5 years. Really enjoyed the car. It was a GSR, and I sold it last night. It was in rally red. It was in a lot of my videos, and I did just promise you guys that I was going to be doing an install video, which I did not do an install video. I was going to do a downpipe and I was going to do a turbo manifold, and I just never got around to it. And then I sold the car. So I put the car up about 4 or 5 days ago, and it sold pretty quick. The reason that I sold the car is because I'm getting a new car. That new car hasn't come yet. I'm really excited. It is a very expensive car, most expensive car I've bought in my life so far, which I'm excited. It's something new. It's something that's right up my alley, and I cannot wait to show you guys what it's going to be. But yeah, I sold the Evo. The guy really liked it. He had owned Volkswagens before, and I think he had owned some other kind, maybe a WRX or something like that, he said. But he wanted the legendary Evo. So I put my car up again like 4 or 5 days ago, and yeah, it sold really quick. But I love that rally red car. It was a really good car. So I am sad. I'm really heartbroken. I still can't believe it's gone. So I no longer have that car. I just finished the beautiful black interior from the final edition. I finished that, and so now that's gone too. You know, I just done the new shifter. I did the new radio on it. I really put a lot of love into it, like these last 3 or 4 months, for my whole ownership. The majority of my ownership, I just kept it completely stock and used it as a daily driver. It has like the snow mode and the tarmac mode, which is amazing. And I love that car, and that's like one of the best daily drivers of all time. But I sold it to buy a new car. Yeah, so even though I sold the Evo, I still love Evos, and if you own one, they're just absolutely amazing. And I have nothing but amazing things to say about the Evo, and I'm just so sorry that the Evo family that I did not finish the downpipe or the open O2 dump. Those are the real videos that I really wanted to do a how-to video, and I kind of wish I would have done that before I sold the car, just because the videos on YouTube of those aren't very good, and I've always wanted to do that. The car had a lot of good mods on it. I never did a full build video. I did one recently, but I hadn't done most recently where I did all the new paint and all the new parts on it, and I wish I would have done one more final build video of it. But I really enjoyed that car. It was monster fast. You know, I wish I would have got another tune on it. It came with a tune on the car, but I wish I would have got a new tune to really turn up the power. So I'm gonna give you a couple of hints for the new car of what it is. The new car is something that I love. I'm gonna daily drive it. It's not the most daily drivable car, but I am gonna daily drive it, and I'm really excited for it. It does have more horsepower than the Evo did, and it does have more cylinders than the Evo did, and it does have forced induction like the Evo did. So I'm really excited about that. The only thing that it has less of than the Evo is doors. It has less doors than the Evo, so that's a pretty good hint for you guys. It should be coming here pretty soon, probably like next week it'll arrive. It's actually coming from Florida. I wish I flew down and drove it back, but I'm just having it shipped up here, and I'll do a video of me picking it up, but I'm really excited. I'm gonna make a lot of content on it. It's like right up my alley. It's gonna look amazing, and it has a lot of content to come for it, and I'm really excited just to use it as a daily driver. I think it's gonna make me really happy, so I'm excited for that new car. Yeah, again, the daily driver as an Evo was just absolutely amazing. The only real issue about the Evo is probably the gas mileage. Other than that, I mean, you know, the gas mileage is pretty not that great. But other than that, the car was absolutely wonderful. It was great for taking it on long road trips. It felt safe. It felt really safe. My experience of it after owning that car for the 5 years that I did was it was very reliable. The only issue I had was that like right when I bought it, I blew the clutch on it. and that was the only issue. And then I got a new clutch on it, and that new clutch held up really well. It had a new clutch on it, but the clutch that I got, it went out like 3 weeks after I got it. So I think, you know, maybe it was a month or 3 months after, but it was a great car. I miss that car. So if you're an Evo fanboy, I'm sorry I sold that. I'm an Evo fanboy too. I love you guys. But this does give me a lot more room to build another car, really affordable car, and have my new daily driver. So I got a lot of new changes coming to the channel. You know, that car was in rally red too with the black interior, so that is gonna be hard to find something as cool as that. But yeah, if you're happy that I sold the Evo, hit the like button. If you're sad that I sold the Evo, hit the like button, because you know, eventually I'd probably get one again. I would like to get another one again. Now, whether it's an Evo 10 or an 8 or a 9, I would love to have a 9 MR in red. A 9 MR in red would be just nuts. That'd be so cool to own that car. Or an 8 and then make it the way like I want it. I think that'd be pretty cool to do that as well. Do some more content for that, because I love the Evos. They're great. But I do want to add a couple different cars to the channel. So I already got rid of my Tsunami Celica, and then I got rid of, and that one I only owned for like a year. I got rid of my my Evo, and that had for like 5 years, the daily driver Evo, the muscle of the garage. So that one's gone, and now I'm daily driving my MR2 Spider, which is just absolutely beautiful. It just got freshly waxed. It breaks everyone's necks. It looks amazing. But make sure to subscribe. In the mail, what I have coming probably today or tomorrow, and I'll work on this weekend. I have my fuel stuff, my fuel pump for my 2006 turboed LOTUS ELISE with the force-fed 275 kit that currently does not run at all, and it is in Starlight Black. That is the fastest car I've ever owned, and I think will still remain the fastest car I've ever owned or will own. It is insanely fast. In every aspect about it, straight line, corners, and everything. So I'm excited to get that car running. That's what we'll be. Sorry for the wind, guys. So that'll be the newest content coming to the channel. Will be that, followed by picking up a new car. I'm so excited, and then of course more MR2 Spider stuff. I got more stuff for my Spider. I always do. I really want to get a tune on my MR2 Spider, the 2ZZ turboed. But yeah, so my car channel is gonna have a new car on it soon, and I'm really excited. But this video is gonna be, I sold my Evo, and I did sell my Evo, and all day today I felt sick because I missed that car. It's just crazy not being able to go get in those Recaro seats. And yeah, the new car does have Recaro seats too, so that's the last one. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITCHDORE.com, and the new car is gonna have so many insane modifications on it. You guys are gonna love it. Like, subscribe, see you guys on the next video.